We'll guide you through how to use the Google Sheets filter function. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Sheets document where you have your data set ready. The filter function is a fantastic tool for sorting and managing large sets of data, allowing you to view only the information you need. To get started, make sure you have a header row for your columns, as this will be essential for applying filters. Next, go to the menu at the top and click on the Data tab. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Create a Filter. Click on that. You will notice small filter icons appear in the header row of each column. These icons look like small, upside-down triangles. Now, click on the filter icon in the column header where you want to apply a filter. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all the unique values in that column. You can now select or deselect values to filter your data set. For example, if you want to see only the entries for a specific month or category, just check the boxes next to those specific values. Once you make your selections, click OK or Apply, and your sheet will automatically update to display only the rows that match your criteria. If you want to clear the filters and return to viewing all your data, simply click on the filter icon again and choose Clear Filter from the menu. You can also remove all filters by going back to the Data tab and selecting Remove Filter from the dropdown. This function is especially useful for analyzing specific segments of your data without altering the original sheet. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.